Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So we do lots of unboxings over here, and today I have my latest PLouise subscription box in. And you guys, it is heavy today. This box definitely feels like it has something in it. Obviously it should have something in it. I would be ticked if I didn't have anything in it. But it feels like there's a lot of things in this one. Like there's more weight than usual. So if you guys are not familiar with PLouise, this is the budget box. PLouise is from the UK and she has a massive beauty company. You can buy products individually on her website, but they also have a monthly subscription called the budget box. Now this box was designed for upcoming and aspiring makeup artists so they could build their kit budget friendly. They wouldn't have to be putting out tons of money in order to create their business. Now, I feel like this subscription has definitely morphed into working for everyone. It works for the masses. You do not have to be a makeup artist. I'm not, and I enjoy this subscription. You just get some really cool beauty items. I do feel like her eyeshadows are amazing, so I love getting those. The highlighters also are really, really good. So I don't feel like you have to be an MUA in order to purchase this, but that was the idea behind it originally. Sometimes when people hear budget box and then they hear that it's like $52 to receive this, they're like, well, that's not really budget friendly. But that was the idea from before. I definitely think it's kind of morphed into something different now. But if you guys are interested, I will be posting a link down below so you guys can purchase. Just know that shipping takes a while. So this box is the November 2023 box that we are opening up today. Basically, I was charged in November for it, but I did not receive it until December. So if you order here in the month of January, you will receive the January box, but you will not receive it until February. Did we get all palettes? I think we have 3 palettes in here, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. I got 1, I have 2, and I think I have a vault. And here's 3. Okay, so I have been a subscriber for a while now of these boxes, and when you see something like this, it generally means we are getting a vault, meaning she's gonna take on one color and do this entire palette out of that color. I have currently, she did a neutral one, and I have all the browns, I have all of the purples, and she's done a green one as well. So that's my hunch with this. But also 3 palettes? Okay, first item that we have here is called But Baby It's Cold Outside. This is a powder blush palette that we have here. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is our Cold Outside palette. She always has these cute little poems and stories on the backs of them as well. I don't ever read them on camera just because they're super long, and I'd rather just show you guys what they look like, but she does put a lot of thought into this as well. So here is our powder blush palette. There is a mirror up at the top here, and then we have all of our hearts down below. I like this shade range. And honestly, typically for winter, you want to go with more of a bright pink color anyways. And so this looks perfect for winter right now. I like the shade she went with. I think they'll work for a lot of different skin tones as well. I think this is good. I like it. Also, I love that she gives us such large pans so you can pick up a lot of pigment right away. Next one that I have is called the Babe You've Got Me Smitten palette. And there's a pair of mittens on it. But this is a lipstick palette that we have here today. This is so cute. Look at the little mittens up here. So this is going to be our cream lipstick palette. We do have a mirror up here at the top, and then these will be the shades all down below. So this, I do like that there's a lot of range here again, because if you're thinking about this in terms of a business, you do need to have more shadows to work with or different colors. So I do think that's great. This is very similar to a lot of the other lipstick palettes that I've seen her create. I've had this subscription for about a year now, and typically all of the lipsticks are very neutral tones, which is not a bad thing, but they all start to look the same. And maybe they are different, it's just they're all so close, like they're just slightly different than the other ones. I just got one in the advent calendar, and it's very similar to this, same shade tones and everything. So I think it works, But if you are buying this on a regular basis like myself, it might start to be too much. I mean, heck, we can do pink lips, we can do red lips, like that. There's other shades we can do. Also, I heard that the box is getting really hard to receive right now, her subscription box. So if you guys are still trying to purchase this and every month you log in and it's sold out, trust me, I've been there. It took me 3 months to get onto the subscription plan. What happens is PLouise only sets aside so many boxes every month for that subscription. And if no one cancels their plan, like myself, if I'm not canceling that plan, there's a wait list and they don't open it up. They don't make more of these budget boxes. So you basically just have to wait till an opening opens up and then you can get the subscription. I don't love it. Believe me, I think they need to be making way more of these, but I don't know if it's maybe they just can't handle that much traffic. I'm not sure, but definitely keep trying. If it says sold out, just keep checking and eventually I'm sure someone will cancel. I'm not, but I'm sure somebody else will. So last item that we have, it has to be a vault, you guys. It has to be. I love it. And it's got the little shirts that move in here, like they actually fall around inside. I'm so excited. This one is called If Looks Could Chill. So this is what it looks like here for the box, and it says that it is a palette. I knew it. Oh, I'm so excited. So inside you're gonna have this giant eyeshadow palette, which they all kind of look like this, but they'll have a different take on it. And then, like I said, these shirts are all floating inside this screen, so they will move around. And then down on the front, you're actually gonna have a little clasp. This has got a bow on the front here. And what you'll do is you'll just press the top and open it up. And you're going to have a mirror up at the top of your palette. And then down below. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't get this off. I want to see these shadows, but I cannot get the cover off. There we go. It's blues. I love blue. So this is what it looks like. You guys, I love it. I am cool toned, so blues, greens, purples, pinks, they are my favorite. I am gonna rock this. Oh my gosh, not to be overconfident here, but this is in my wheelhouse. So you have lots of different mattes, lots of shimmers in here as well, definitely giving me cool tone vibes. Down below, you're actually gonna have a whole another tray, and typically she will do the same color, but with like a warm tone version of it. Oh, I don't wanna break this if it will come out though. So here's gonna be the bottom part, yes. So actually this has more greens in it. The one up above had more purple. It was like a blue and purple combo. This is a blue and green. So it is still all cool. I like that it's all cool tone still, but look at those shimmers. Oh my gosh, I love those so much. So this is what it looks like up close, you guys. Oh, I love her work. These are what make your subscription box worth it. And I've gotten 3 in a 12-month period. So usually, you know, you may get a couple in there you don't love, but wait for these big palettes. They're amazing. So this is what your vault will look like here. I'm trying to not damage my palette here, you guys. But look at all of these shadows that you get inside of this. And you can really see the difference. The top one has more of purple undertones, and then the one down below is going to be more mint. You're going to lean into those greens. I just love this. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think of the PLouise budget box for November. I love it. It is so good, you guys. I cannot wait to be using this palette. She just does, it's amazing work. And like I said, it's worth it for me to keep this subscription, even if there's a month or 2 in there where I'm like, oh, I don't love all of these items. To get the months where you have this inside of it is totally worth it to me. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think. And again, if you're interested in this box, I will post a link down below. But until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!